Today I'll be showing you how to turn into Vanellope Von Schweetz by doing more of a face paint approach to achieve those huge Vanellope eyes.
Hey, who are you calling huge eyes, diaper baby? Well, hello, people of YouTube! I am supposed to be doing a makeup tutorial or something. Well, let's race through this.
To give my eyes the appearance of Vanellope's large pupils, I'm using black scleral lenses. If scleral lenses aren't for you, you can draw the pupil on the eyelid instead to have the same effect, but only when your eyes are shut. Cover your eyebrows. To see step by step how I do this, check out my How to Cover Eyebrows tutorial. After priming, I'm using L'Oreal Infallible Cover Full Coverage Foundation in Golden Sand for a smooth, cartoon-like finish. I'm then using a black eye pencil to sketch out the shape of Vanellope's eyes. Draw them as big as the first time you walked into a candy shop. Fill in the white using a white eye pencil and a brown line below the eyes. Sketch out the shape of Vanellope's eyebrows as well. They are thick and quite straight. Use a concealer to sharpen the edges. Powder the area between the eye and the eyebrow, then use a brown eyeshadow to shade. Like using a coloring in book when you were a child, use MAC Acrylic Paints to fill in the eyes. Use pure white on the eye white. Moving on to the iris, Vanellope's eye shade is brown fading into green. I mixed roughly 45% basic red with 45% primary yellow and 10% high-def cyan to get this hazel brown shade. Then landscape green on the outside and blending the colors slightly together to make them appear to fade into each other. Use a black eye kohl on your waterline. To make the iris look more realistic, mix white and brown and dab some highlights on the brown part. And mix green and white to dab highlights where the brown fades into the green. Then fill in all the black areas using black MAC Acrylic Paint. Paint a bit of the white below the inner corner of your eye to make it look like it's part of the highlight. Use the brown eyeliner again just a touch below the previous line. And fill it in using a light brown eyeshadow. Then a light grey eyeshadow to create a shadow on top of your eye white. Powder your face.
I love me some Chanel.
Then use an orangey red blusher on your cheeks and on your nose. I'm using Exhibit A from NARS. You can find all the products I used in the description. For Vanellope's lips, I'm using NYX lip liner in nude suede shoes. She has very narrow lips. Create her cute dimples using MAC eyebrow pencil in Lingering for precision. And that's the finished look.
See you later, fart pie. Au revoir, cupcake head. Remember to subscribe, honey bum. Alright.